Hi guys, I'm Sabir, and in this video we will learn three words, their pronunciation and their meaning, which are most frequently used in spoken English. The first one is abundant. The word abundant has three meanings, which are most frequently used in spoken English. The first one is to leave somebody. To leave somebody. When a person leaves people for whom he is responsible and he has no intention of returning, then we use the word abandon. For example, he abandoned his children. Here, he is responsible for his children and he has no intention of returning. So that's why we are using the word abandon. The next one is to leave a thing or place. To leave a thing or place. When we leave a thing or place, when it is impossible or dangerous to stay, then we use the word abandon. For example, he orders them to abandon the ship, means the ship is sinking or is in danger. So that's why we are using the word abandon. The next meaning is to stop doing, having something. To stop doing, having something. We use the word abandon when a person stops doing something specially unfinished. I'm repeating, we use the word abandon when a person stops doing something especially unfinished. For example, he abandoned the study because of financial problems. The next example is they abandoned the hopes of freedom. Now I'm going to jump to the next word, which is baby. 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 The word baby has three meanings, which are most frequently used in spoken English. The first one is a very young child, animal. So here we are using the word baby to mention a very young child of human or an animal. For example, a baby girl, a baby girl, a baby monkey, a baby monkey. Now we move on to the next meaning of the word baby, which is the youngest family group member. So when we are mentioning the youngest member of family or a group, then we use the word baby. In American English, we use the word baby to speak wife, husband, or lover. For example, baby, will you marry me? But it becomes a slang one when we address an unknown person with this word. So it is used to speak a wife, husband, or lover, and it can be offensive to an unknown person. The next word is calculate. Calculate. The word calculate has two meanings, which are most frequently used in spoken English. The first one is determine number, amount mathematically. Determine number, amount mathematically. For example, Sarah calculate her expenses. Now we move on to the next meaning of the word calculate, which is, I think, quite important to understand. To form an opinion, guess something. To form an opinion, guess something. When we are making an opinion or guessing something, then we use the word calculate. For example, Emma is calculating that cubs could be lost in this jungle. So here, Emma is calculating, means having the opinion or guessing that cubs can be lost in this jungle. Hopefully, you are quite clear about the pronunciation, meaning of the words abandon, baby, and calculate. If you like that video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and press the bell icon. Thank you. Bye.